How to remove GCash from Netflix. So to do this, you're gonna have to just cancel your subscription. This is pretty much the same as getting rid of your GCash from Netflix. So to do that, to cancel your subscription, just go ahead to the top right corner where it's the triple bar thing. Basically, as long as you get into your account. You can do this in your websites as well and other devices. But anyways, go into your app settings. No, I mean account, and inside your account just go ahead and scroll down until you find your cancel membership button. So as you can see over here, it says cancel membership or delete account. You don't need to delete your account, of course. Just go ahead and press on the cancel membership button, and to your surprise, it's gonna cancel your membership and will automatically remove GCash from your Netflix. You could also do this in your Play Store. If you want to be sure, you can go ahead and check. Maybe you used your Play Store option and you connected GCash to your Play Store. But that's pretty much how you remove your Netflix GCash link. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.